In this video, we'll talk about how to save a design, and of course, the Save tool is found up here on your main toolbar, and also from the File drop-down menu up here, you can choose Save, or if you want to give a file a new name, you can choose Save As. What I'll do is select a design that we have open already, this fish. And currently there's no save option. Well, that's because the design hasn't had any changes made to it since the last time it was saved. However, if I was to, select the fish and just make it, let's say, smaller, notice now that the option to save becomes available. And if I save it right here, it's going to save in the same name, in the same location as where we opened it from. Does that make sense? So if I wanted to give it a new name or change the location where it was saved, I would need to go File and Save As. And that would enable me to give this fish, perhaps I wanted to have a small fish and a big fish, and I wanted to create two files that were similar, so I could call this one fish small. Oops, maybe it would be good to put a dash or something, and save it. Now, when I choose to save a design, it's automatically saved into the all-important draw format, because that is the format that we use when we create embroidery with the Artistic Digitizer software. The file that we would need to return to make any edits or changes is the draw file. And so that's the main one for doing a save. We would communicate, we'll use the export tool to export designs to our machine or to a USB stick. We can also use the Save As tool to save a design to, let's say, Jeff format, or the Wings, the Draw Stitch commercial software Wings format. Those are formats that we could also save to, but it's always important to remember to save the draw file first, then make your Jeff file. So I could now make a, I'd fish small Jeff and save it into that format. But the draw file is the one that I would return to if I wanted to make any edits. And so that is how you can save the designs that you're working on.